Are you tired of struggling with your sewing projects, ending up with tangled threads and uneven stitches? Here are the 5 best sewing machines I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1, Brother XM2701. The Brother XM2701 caught my eye right away with its lightweight design and 27 unique built-in stitches, all for just $149. If you want a reliable and straightforward machine that can handle various sewing tasks, this is worth a serious look. So why should you consider the XM2701? Well, first off, those 27 stitches range from decorative to utility and even include an auto-size buttonhole. That means you can tackle everything from simple hems to intricate designs without breaking a sweat. The automatic needle threader is a game changer, pushing the thread through the needle with ease, so you can skip the frustrating moments of trying to thread it yourself. Plus, the jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin is super user-friendly. You'll spend less time fixing jams and more time creating. Now, some people complained about the machine feeling a bit lightweight, which may lead to some vibrations during heavy use. Here's the thing though, if you're not planning on tackling really heavy projects, this isn't a deal breaker, and many find it easy to handle for everyday sewing. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or someone who needs a dependable machine for light to medium projects. Skip this one if you're looking for a heavy-duty option or advanced features. At $149, it gives you great value for what you get. Now, if that lightweight concern about the XM2701 bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach with a bit more heft and capability.
Product number 2, Brother XR3774. The Brother XR3774, priced at $184.43, this machine ups the ante with 37 built-in stitches and a wide table, making it a fantastic choice for both sewing and quilting. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 37 stitches include various quilting patterns and even a one-step buttonhole, which is perfect if you're planning to take on bigger projects or want to get creative. The included wide table is a huge bonus, giving you the extra space you need for larger quilts or fabric pieces. And don't worry about threading. The automatic needle threader and jam-resistant bobbin work just like the XM2701, ensuring you can focus on your sewing. However, some users have mentioned that the machine can feel a bit bulky for small projects. I'll be real with you, if you're primarily sewing lightweight fabrics, it might feel like overkill. But for those who quilt or sew heavier materials, this is a great decision. This is perfect for you if you want a machine that can grow with your skills, especially if you have quilting in mind. Skip this one if you're only working on small crafts or need something ultra portable. At just under $185, it's still a solid investment for its features. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those of you who want even more stitches and features. Product number 3, Brother CS7000X. Let's talk about the Brother CS7000X, which is slightly pricier at $279.99, but packed with features like 70 built-in stitches and an LCD display. If you're serious about sewing, this is a machine you'll want to consider. The 70 stitches give you a vast range to play with, including utility, decorative, and quilting functions. That means you can really explore your creativity without feeling limited. The large needle-to-arm workspace is a blessing for quilters or those working on larger garments. Plus, the improved automatic needle threader makes threading a breeze, and the drop-in bobbin is jam-resistant, so you can keep sewing without interruptions. One downside I noticed is that it may not be the best fit for absolute beginners due to its more complex features. Some users found the learning curve a bit steep, but honestly, if you're willing to invest time and learning, the capabilities you gain far outweigh this initial hurdle. This is perfect for you if you're looking to take your sewing to the next level and want a machine that can handle advanced projects. Skip it if you're just starting out and prefer a simpler machine. At $280, it gives you a ton of features that can make your sewing journey enjoyable. Now, if you're looking for something that adds embroidery capabilities to the mix, our next option might just blow you away. Product number 4,
Brother FB1757X. The Brother FB1757X is next, and at just $99.99, it's one of the more budget-friendly options on this list. It's got 17 built-in stitches and is great for those who want something simple yet effective. For someone who doesn't want to deal with complex features, the FB1757X is a breath of fresh air. The 4-step buttonhole is straightforward, and the LED lighting really helps you see what you're working on, especially with detailed projects. The reverse button is handy for locking in stitches, which is a small but critical feature for ensuring your work holds up. However, some users found the limited stitches to be a drawback if they wanted to explore more creative projects. Now, here's the thing. If you're just starting or only working on basic sewing tasks, this limitation won't affect you much. It's still a solid machine for the basics. This is perfect for you if you want an easy-to-use machine without the bells and whistles. Skip this if you're looking for a wide variety of stitches or features. Overall, at under $100, it's excellent for beginners. Now, if you're ready to step up into embroidery as well, you won't want to miss our last pick. Product number 5, Brother SE700. We have the Brother SE700 priced at $579.99. This machine combines sewing and embroidery, making it a serious contender for those looking to expand their crafting skills. What's incredible here is the 135 built-in designs and the ability to connect wirelessly to your computer. This means you can download custom designs straight to the machine, giving you endless creative possibilities. The 4-inch by 4-inch embroidery field is perfect for various projects, and the large 3.7-inch touchscreen makes navigation a breeze. If you love personalizing your items or making unique gifts, this machine is a fantastic investment. Now, some people have mentioned that it can be a bit overwhelming due to the multitude of functions. I understand that it could feel too much for a beginner. But if you're serious about sewing and embroidery, this machine can truly become your best friend in crafting. This is perfect for you if you want to dive into both sewing and embroidery and love the idea of endless design options. Skip this if you only want a basic sewing machine without embroidery features. It's a bit pricier, but for what you're getting, it's worth it. Now, let's wrap this up and compare the highlights of these 5 machines. To wrap it up, we've covered a range of sewing machines. The Brother XM2701 for beginners, the XR3774 for those who quilt, the CS7000X for advanced features, the FB1757X for budget-conscious beginners, and the SE700 for creative embroiderers. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Brother CS7000X because of its balance of features and usability. I'd avoid the Brother SE700 for beginners due to its complexity.